Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be telling you about a way that you can get unlimited free arrows inside of Oblivion Remastered in the event that you find yourself constantly running out of arrows and you don't necessarily want to use the duplicating glitch. You want something slightly more legitimate. So with that in mind, here at the north gate of Chorrol, and I mean literally the north gate, you teleport here, and then you make a right, and here is this lovely orc named Baroth, and he is practicing archery. And while he's sitting here practicing archery, you can literally pick up all of these arrows that he's firing for free, and you don't have to pay a single cent, and it doesn't count as stealing. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, oh, that's really awesome, Larry, but here's my problem. I'm way further in the game now, and I'm using things like ebony arrows. Well, here's the fun part about that. If you equip whatever arrow that you want, and then you go behind him, and you shoot him. So now that I've gone and paid the fine, and it's been a day, these should now be ebony arrows. I did have to pass the time and, like, wait a whole day, and when he comes back out the next day, I don't know what that dude's deal is, he's wearing a different, quiver for his arrows, and now he's 100% shooting ebony arrows, which is pretty cool. So, that's a kind of a slow way of getting infinite free arrows, but if you don't want to use the duplication glitch, this is definitely one way to do it. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.